Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Buy It, Build It, Drive It. Today is going to be such a fun day. Today we are turning the Velociraptor into a Velocitraxter. That's right, we are getting tracks on the Raptor, and these are going to be big. I paid for the extra large ones with the upgraded tracks on them. These are going to be so much fun. It's going to expand the Raptor's snow capabilities so much. And as you can see, it is absolutely dumping right now. Literally 30 minutes ago, this grass was still visible. The tracks were just delivered to Agility Customs. You guys will remember them. They're the ones doing the Gladiator for Stradman. So enough talking, let's head over to Agility and let's put these things on. Here we are at Agility HQ. I like this truck, by the way. We're gonna go around to the garage. That way we can load the tracks up with a forklift. Here we go. Hey Todd, what's up? What's up? These are so much bigger in person than I thought they'd actually be. This is crazy. Apparently these just bolt right on, Todd?
That's what they say.
Okay, I mean, I guess we'll put it to the test. Maybe like I should test it out.
But tracks.
Like wheels but tracks. I don't know about that. I'm a little bit kind of like nervous going into this. This is a little bit ridiculous, but I'm excited. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at that finesse. Focus, the determination. Wow. Just like that. I'm the proud new owner of a Velocitraxter. All right, tracks are loaded up. That's not going anywhere. All right.
Send her to the ranch.
Made it to the ranch, the Coleman Ranch.
Hey, greetings.
Got all the boys out here. Let's see if we can't get these tracks installed. So apparently this right here, this is an inflatable jack. It's essentially a big balloon that you fill with the truck exhaust. I'm not kidding. I don't know how well this is going to work. It seems really sketch. We're going to test it out. It's supposed to be the ultimate device for off-road jacking your truck up on kind of like soft, snowy ground like this. Each one of these is 200 pounds. They're so annoying and so difficult to move around, especially because these tracks will just spin on you and there's a million different places to pinch your fingers. So we'll carefully get all those out, then we'll worry about jacking it up. We did bring a backup jack just in case this weird balloon jack doesn't work. The truck bed is very slippery. We gotta get that right aligned. These are the most awkward
Heavy
things to move ever.
Are we gonna kind of just roll it off?
Yeah, just roll them off. If they break, they weren't good.
Ready?
I don't know.
Too close.
Well, I said ready.
It worked. It worked. They are on the ground now. Oh my goodness.
That's a 196-pound deadlift.
Coleman's not messing around.
How fast can you realistically go with these tires?
40 miles an hour is the recommended speed limit.
We'll push it today.
We'll push it.
Push it.
We might hit 50.
Maybe put the step in. And then...
Holy
Timber.
Yeah.
Nice.
Legit, Pat.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's a new record.
This pond apparently is like 30 feet deep too.
30 feet deep pond. Let's not drive through there. I did not know that was water.
It was not.
Okay, just throwing it underneath. Try to pick a soft spot where it's not gonna pop. That's the recommendation.
Right here?
And then nowhere near the exhaust where it gets too hot. It's a little bit sketch. And we've literally just got it stuck into the exhaust back here. But here's an issue. We've got two exhaust vents. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. You might have to plug that up. Attaching the hose. That should be it. We just got to turn the truck on and eventually it'll be floating off the ground. We can put the track on. All right, Howell's getting it started. Okay, I do not see air flowing. I don't know. This kind of honestly seems like a joke to me.
Well,
like, did people actually use these things or is this just a prank? Give it a little rev.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh, we're seeing a little bit of airflow.
it's getting toasty.
Greg's blocking it. Is it working? Maybe. Oh yeah, there it goes. I don't know about this. It's one thing to inflate, it's another thing to lift the entire vehicle. This looks like it's actually working.
Is it?
It's going. I don't know. We'll find out pretty soon. Now's when it's going to start flexing the suspension. See if we can get this off the ground. So we've got Adrian plugging the right exhaust. The left exhaust goes straight into this tube. halfway to here. It's starting to get inflated. You can see the backs come up like 2 or 3 inches by now.
A few inches later.
Okay, we're gonna call it. It's been like 15, 20 minutes. We just cannot build enough pressure to really get it higher than this. I think it's just due to the double exhaust. We just can't get it sealed off well enough, so we're gonna try out the just good old-fashioned floor jack. All right, Howell, let it rip. Oh, okay, we had that up. That was like 3 inches that drop, so kind of seemed promising. Maybe we'll try it again some other time. All right, this is actually working. This is nice. Get this front wheel off. Let's see how this goes. Pit crew is ready.
Come on now.
Time.
Oh!
Nice.
Get a pump.
Nice. Let's get a track thrown on there. Before we do that, though, we got to throw on one of these big, meaty spacers. Look how thick these are. Nice. Yeah, that is wide. All right, now Officer Howell is gonna get these torqued to spec. What's our foot-pounds for today?
We're looking at 85 right now.
85 foot-pounds. Boom. All right, I've got the snap-on brake rotor stopper 3000 screwdriver. Here comes the worst part.
I think we need to have someone hold right.
We need to align the track with the wheel hub. It is so challenging. You have to get it lined up perfectly. This thing's 200 pounds. You're pinching your finger if you do anything wrong. And then on top of that, you can see the wheel hub because the control arm comes down while it's jacked up. Instead of being perpendicular, it's angled. So really annoying, really difficult. How many 20-something-year-olds does it take to put
We got it.
a wheel on? A track on?
Where are bolts?
Get a bolt on that foot.
First one on, 3 more to go. This is looking so sick. Check that out. Unfortunately, the sun is trying to go down on us. We gotta hurry.
And I'm not going to play this whole video because it is just, oh my.
Final lug nut going in. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Velociraptor. What an extraordinary moment. This is great. You can see the sun lines right there. Just barely went down. Let's go take this thing out. Let's go put it to use. What an insane vehicle, the Velociraptor in its full glory. Wow, we are here on a frozen pond. Coleman's in the driver's seat. Please don't wreck my truck, but please make some cool video. Let's do it. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my goodness. That is just tearing up the terrain straight over the sagebrush. Oh my gosh, that's a tank. These should not be legal for civilians. No one needs these. Look how it's throwing that snow. Let's see if we can get some on the camera. Oh, this is wild. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look how much snow that's throwing. Oh my.
You should try. You think you could make it straight across?
Should we go straight over the pond, Howell?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're going over the pond. If this is the last time you see the Raptor, you'll know why. I think we'll be good. We're sliding. Let's see if we can make it up this freaking cliff. Oh my. Oh my. Are we good? I feel like we might have broken something. We might want to take a quick look. That was a bit much. No way! It just went straight up it like it was nothing. That is absurd. Rancher Steve's not going to be happy we're ruining his road. Sorry, Steve! Okay, we found one casualty. Completely ripped that fender. That's not good. I think we just bottomed out the suspension. It must have caught on there. That's okay. We'll consider ourselves lucky. Much worse could have happened. We're right over 10 feet of water. Straight through the sagebrush. Check this out. Like it's nothing. Oh man. Oh. Getting lots of lights on the dashboard. The Raptor is not happy. The Velociraptor just does not care. Go wherever you want, straight for the sagebrush. Boom. Oh, maybe don't drift sideways. We're gonna break a track. Let's find the biggest sagebrush we can and let's mount it. Oh. Okay, this is way too much fun. Oh, we gotta take these off before this truck is broken forever. I really want to go up the hill again though. Okay, just one more time. I promise, this is the last time. We'll go up a little less steep part. That's pretty steep. Oh no, oh my gosh. Are we good? I think they're okay. It's unbelievable what this thing can do. Wow, okay, this was probably one of the best investments of my life. People talk about Robinhood, Wealthfront, stocks, dividends. No, it's all about Raptor Trax. Let's just go straight up off-road for a minute. Oh man. Oh, we're gonna break a track. Little riverbed. It never stopped me. Oh, okay. All right, guys, I gotta be honest with you. I'm not kidding right now. This is some of the best fun I've ever had in my entire life. This is insane. I thought the Raptor was pretty capable already. This just takes it to a whole nother level. This is a tank. Every single thing I tried, it just did with ease. Like it wasn't even trying. So much fun. If you're considering a track system, I'd say do it. And it's so nice in the Raptor. We're in there with our heated seats and we're just like comfy and cruising. Meanwhile, the outside's just a tank. So I had so much fun. We need to head back to the spot where we put the wheels on because we left those there before it gets too dark and we got to switch these out. We got to get out of here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to the crew who's with me, Coleman, Adrian, Howell, and then Max in the car. We'll definitely have a few more Velocitraxter episodes coming very soon, so get subscribed, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.